How to install concrete parking blocks. Concrete parking blocks from Nitterhouse Masonry products arrive ready to install on your lot. Here's how to perform a safe, efficient installation of our parking stops. Select the location for the parking lot. Map out each parking spot. Zoning requirements vary, so be sure to check local municipality codes. Gather materials. You'll need a forklift or a couple sets of helping hands, a high-speed hammer drill and masonry drill bit, a sledgehammer, and measuring tape. Always wear safety goggles and gloves. Transport the parking stop block to the parking spot using a forklift. Set the parking stop block in place and ensure it is angled properly. For installation of multiple concrete blocks, use chalk or a string line to align blocks. If using a string line, insert one rebar pin on the first block, tie on a string line, and run to an endpoint. Use a measuring tape to ensure parking blocks are spaced evenly and adhere to zoning requirements. Drill through the two holes in the parking stop block. Keep the drill bit vertical when drilling to avoid chipping the surface. Hammer the rebar into the ground using a sledgehammer. Check that the rebar is level with the block. The parking stop block is now tightly secured and set in place. Let the experts at Nitterhouse Masonry products help you find the perfect concrete parking block for you. Our selection includes concrete parking blocks. For a fast, simple, and effective solution, choose concrete curb stops, available in gray and yellow and 6-foot, 7-foot, and 8-foot lengths. Concrete log parking blocks. Our concrete log stops are molded after a real tree, allowing them to blend in with the parking area's natural surroundings. Concrete truck parking stops. Our 8-foot-long, 12-inch-high truck stops are backed by more than 90 years of experience and expertise for optimal performance. All concrete stops are reinforced with rebar, made with 5,500 psi minimum compressive strength concrete and 6% maximum absorption rate for exceptional durability. You can always count on quality when shopping with Nitterhouse Masonry. Contact Nitterhouse Masonry products for durable concrete parking blocks today.